Hi, I'm Egbo Chidera, a technopreneur based in Lagos, Nigeria. Quickly, let's dive in. Who is a technopreneur? Who is a technopreneur? This question is a very huge question. So, I quickly want to give you a breakdown of who a technopreneur is and what they really are into. In the course of this little lecture or video, we will quickly be looking at who a technopreneur is, an explanation of what they do, history of technopreneurship, and examples of technopreneur in our today world and what they've achieved. Who is a technopreneur? It's a very, very popular question. That is what we hope to answer today. A technopreneur is a person who revolutionizes the prevailing economic order by making the best use of the technology at hand. A technopreneur is a person who makes the best use of every technology at hand to create something very, very intentional to change history. According to Jack Dorsey, he says everyone has an idea, but it is really about executing that idea and attracting other people to help you work on that idea. Now, this is a quick pictorial explanation of what I just said. Everybody has an idea, but you bringing the right mind together, making that idea what it should be. They create, they build on that idea. That is what make technopreneurs successful. No single technopreneur that has a success story to share today that does not have a team, that does not have people that puts it up together. What is the objective? As a technopreneur, you should be ever willing to share that your idea with like minds that can help bring it into a reality. Just as simple as that. You should be ever willing to share that your idea with like mind that can ever bring it to a reality. Okay, so quickly, what do technopreneurs do? Let's quickly explain what technopreneurs do. They create a new product or come up with a solution to solve problem using technology. We have example PayPal. PayPal is founded by Elon Musk, the number one most richest man in the whole world as of today. And as from what we know, it's a solution to the problem of payments. So with science and technology, hallmarks of technopreneurship are being built. Okay, so another important thing we must look at if we are trying to study what a technopreneur is the total amount of already existing technopreneurs we have in the world as of today. So today the world is counting about 306 million technopreneurs already available in the market. So if you just entering, there's still a huge market and a huge entry for you as a technopreneur who has an idea, but all he or she needs is to bet it and make it into that standard that he or she wishes it become before launching. So it's still very easy for you to do what you want to do because there's still a market. Here's the thing, in this technology driven era, every technopreneur do not just start their businesses with just they don't just launch their business, they don't just enter into the technology stage. They take out their time to start by validating and brainstorming on the idea that they are introducing into the market. So this is where the team comes up. They together can team up and make sure that whatsoever they are pushing outside, whatsoever they are introducing technology into, is a fantastic idea. It's an idea that works. There is a saying that says, whatsoever you think about to do, that there are several other persons that have tried it before. So they want to make sure that they are doing the right thing. That is who a technopreneur is. They take out their time to validate every idea that they are coming out with before they now plug in technology. Before they now some of them begin to create website, design mobile app. As defined by Collins Dictionary, technopreneurs are entrepreneurs who start and manage their own technology business. So any entrepreneur that starts and manages any technology owned business is called a technopreneur. Now the term was first used in 1987, but it gained popularity around 2000 when a large number of people started using the internet, obviously. So it's not as if technopreneurs had never existed, they had always existed, they've always been there in the market, but it became so easier to become a technopreneur. It became so wonderful, it became so known around 2000 when a large number of people were introduced fully, when companies began to transit into computers and all that. So it became easier to become a technopreneur. We have a whole lot of technopreneurs in today's world that has achieved a lot, and it gives us a perfect example of who these two technopreneurs are, looking at their achievements in the sector of being technopreneurs. The first person we would want to look at is Jeff Bezos. Jeff Bezos is the CEO of the online empire we know as Amazon. He has built a milestone in e-commerce because he started selling books online before his company now is transiting into a whole lot of technical stuff. So he majorly started with the Amazon, that is the selling of ebooks online, and today is going into so many other sectors. So he's somebody who has been able to build up a name for himself in the technopreneurship sector, and he can be 100% called a technopreneur. Here's another person I want us to consider, the person of Elon Musk, the inventor of Tesla and SpaceX, also the founder of PayPal. So he is a great tech giant, also involved in cryptocurrencies. So he is not just a single man person, and he's the world's most richest man as of today, with approximately 200 and something billion dollars. So he is the famous technopreneur of all of the times, present times. The person we would be considering is Mark Zuckerberg, the founder of the famous social media platform we all use, the Facebook application, now the owner of Instagram, WhatsApp. Other examples of technopreneurs that are making it big in the world today are Bill Gates, the founder of Microsoft, Kelvin Rose, the founder of Dix, the social media platform, Evan Williams, the founder of Twitter, Larry Page, and Sergey Brin, the both combined founder of Google, and Sim Packer, the founder of airtime.com. These are outstanding people doing outstanding things in the tech space. We've come to the end of this introductory part of the channel. Please, I want to beg you to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Always comment your questions on every video I make, every post you see out there speaking about technopreneurship, because I feel it's an opportunity, it's our time to become technopreneurs, and it's our time for us to do something outstanding for ourselves. Thank you for watching this video. Like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on Facebook as well.